Item 1 is which matter is that?
So this is the students' matter, where, my lord, the MBBS students have got extension till August.
Right.
Because they won't finish their clinical course at all by 31st March. Now, we are identically situated. So we also say that we should, because by 31st March, not even half the students would have finished their clinical. Can I show you, my lord?
Give me only 1 second.
Can I show you, my lord, from the paper?
Mr. Gonsalves, just give me 1 second. I'll just go to
Turn to page 56 first.
1 second.
Yes, turn to page 56 first. This is the notice. The original.
So now the cutoff date for the completion of the internship has been fixed as 31st of March 2024.
For MBB, it was for MBBS and dental.
And now for MBBS, it has been extended to 15th of August.
15th of August. And why?
Dental, it continues to be as 31st.
Yes, and why, my lord? Because if your lordship will just see, please.
Let's hear Mr. Sharma. What is the issue, Mr. Sharma?
Milord, these are the entrance examination for postgraduate courses, Milord. Before Corona, Milord, they used to take place in December and January. Because of Corona, Milord, from the last 4 years, the sessions are delayed. That's why the exams are delayed. Now they are trying to bring back on time schedule, Milord. So what they have done is that for dental, Milord, because there are two different bodies. One is National Medical Commission and one is National Dental Commission. So these are pertaining to dental courses.
You are appealing for both, no?
Yes, Milord. I'm appealing for both. So medical is not a party here, and medical has nothing to do in this matter, Milord. As well as dental is concerned, Milord, my instructions are, Milord, yesterday Government of India has sought information from us, how many students were there who will complete if the cutoff date is 31st of March, and how many will complete after a beyond time of May or June or July.
So government is looking at the
Government is looking at the matter. As far as exam is concerned, Milord, it is a long process, Milord, because it is done by National Board of Examination and centers are booked, Milord.
So the exam is not immediately or anything?
So exams will not affect, Milord. They only are concerned with the eligibility for the completion of internship.
Because if you fix it as 31st of March, many of the youngsters who will complete it after 31st of March will have to wait for the next exam.
So what I'm proposing,
1 year and 4 months.
What I'm proposing is,
the union government is looking into it.
No, I'm glad they're doing
the
that.
The very fact that they've asked for data shows that they are concerned about it. They are taking a decision.
Yes.
Let's wait for a little while, for maybe a week or so. Let the government take a decision.
Less than that, my lord, because time is now very strict.
The cutoff is 31st of March. We are still in...
yes, exam is on 18th of March.
Now on MBBS, the government looked into it in December.
Don't worry. Yeah. You start preparing. If they extend the cutoff, no difficulty, others will take a call what to do.
Yes, my lord. They have to change the cutoff and the examination.
Gonsalves, you must understand. Cutoffs and other things is not really within the judicial realm.
No, I know, my lord. Last time,
government is doing something.
Yes, I'm happy.
Benefited by some governmental.
I'm happy. Yes.
Compassionate approach. Then we will not come in the way.
Yes.
But it's very difficult for us to start extending cutoffs here and cutoffs there. It's
very in the policy. Yes. In fact, my lord, in the earlier year, your lordship said
that we will dispose it of.
No, sir, don't dispose.
And we'll say that
there are some
union government take a call. We'll ask the union government to take it.
Sir, don't dispose of the matter, please. There are whole states at risk. 6 states at risk. Wait now.
Brother says that we had passed a similar order in another case where we had asked the union government to take a decision.
And page 41, what the union government told you at page 41.
So we can ask the union government to take a call on this expeditiously within, say, a period of 1 week.
Yes, power on.
Pass an order in terms of what we had done earlier.
But sir, keep it pending because it's come to the wire. It's come really very close to the exam.
I know, but once we say something in favor of the students without issuing a mandamus.
So see the order.
And one more thing, Milord, because now exam will take place, results will come, counselling will start. They can always extend the eligibility for the completion of internship.
Mr. Gonsalves.
Yes, Milord.
We have a little experience of these matters. The very fact that the union government has called for data means that they're inclined to do something. Otherwise, they would have said, sorry, this is inflexible.
No, I understand. I'm grateful for that. I only want your lordship keep it pending because this is seven states at risk. 7 states. Students of 7 states will be excluded. And 8,000 students will be.
We'll say something there. The petitioners invoke the jurisdiction of this court and invoke the jurisdiction under Article 32 of the Constitution for rescheduling for extending the cutoff date of eligibility with reference to the completion of the internship so as to enable students to appear for the entrance examination for the
MDS.
MDS examination. Full stop. The NEET MDS was notified on 20 January 2024 and is to be held on 18 March 2024. Full stop. The cutoff for completion of internship has been fixed as 31 March 2024.
Yes. And the examination is fixed for 18th March.
Already said that.
Yes, sir.
The petitioners have highlighted the fact that the NEET PG, on the other hand, was scheduled for 7 July 2024 and the internship cutoff date has been fixed as 15 August 2024. They seek some parity in the matter.
Yes.
We'll stop next. Mr. Gaurav Sharma, appearing on behalf of the National Dental Commission, states that the Union of India has already appears to be seized of the matter since by communication dated.
Well, yesterday asked for the data. Because it came to me yesterday.
Data has been sought from by the Union government yesterday from the National Dental Commission. Full stop. In this context, we may advert to an earlier order passed by this court on what's the date of that order? On February 2022 in Shivam Satyarthi and others with the Union of India, writ petition civil number 68 of 2022.
And my lord, the earlier response or positive response of the government dated 17/2/22.
Mr. Gonsalves has also relied on the earlier response of the government dated 17 February 2022.
Giving parity in the earlier year.
Full stop. Since the issue of fixing cutoff dates essentially pertains to the policy domain. Hence, we are of the view that it would be appropriate if the petitioners are permitted to submit a representation.
Done, my lord. Submit representations, all 1,000 representations sent.
Mr. Gonsalves submits that representations have already been submitted to the Union government in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Full stop. We direct that the representation which has been submitted